We have to escape!
That's easy for you to say. You left the tiny loser chamber in episode 9.
Yeah, but now I'm back, and I don't want to have to stay here much longer.
You think you've seen anything? I've been in here for 16 months and I want out now. Hey, it's sealed shut.
Oh my, like woodsicles, so now there's like no way out.
Well, they open the lid for 5 minutes every day. That will be our opportunity for escape.
Hey guys, be quiet and stop talking about escaping.
Wait, the speaking gray cuboid can hear everything we say?
Oh no, that means he knows about all the times I call him a...
Everyone, it's time for Muffin or Nothing.
Muffin or nothing!
Cellophone, enjoy the game.
Yeah, I made it!
Mangosteen, your mom, Twitter coin, Illy and Nutella, you're safe, for 3,838 vote. Avalanche and Tab, you got 5 vote. Is time for the contest.
Leafy and tennis ball. Whoever jumps the ledge first is safe, and the other one is eliminated. Go.
Avalanche, you win, get ice cream.
So,
And Tab, you are eliminated. Today challenge is the Make the Birds house. Now you 10 minutes begin.
Hey, you draw pretty good.
Thanks! I can teach you if you want.
This is too hard.
You have to be gentle with it, resting the paper ever so lightly atop the grass blades, applying the smallest amount of pressure from the pencil to the page.
I see.
Whoa, that paper animated Robert top for animated. Oh my, I see Bird's house. Time up the heart, let get the Bird's house.
We've done this. He's golden.
It was mine.
Nice 7 and a 10. The next, the skikakepikefli ain't tagging. Nice 5 and a 5. You're next, the star.
Evil ice cream sandwich?
Yeah.
Tell Toy Boat she's amazing!
You're a
Quick, draw something!